बटर नान है और आपका गार्लिक नान है मसाला এটা হলো বালি ব্রিজ
বালি ব্রিজে উঠছি আমরা আমরা কেমন ভাবে বইছি দেখো আমাদের হালতটা দেখছো
biryani, peas pulao.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome if you're new here. This is Mohana Khan and in today's video I'll be sharing another vlog with you guys. It's been so long that I've shot a vlog that it feels kind of, you know, unusual to be doing this. And look at my nails. I have nail polish on my teeny tiny nails. How cute does this look? I'm so happy with how it looks. And my sister helped me put it on because it's not humanly possible for me to put nail polish on such tiny nails. So long story short, today after a very long time, almost after 1.5 months, we are going out again. It's lockdown here in Kolkata. It's not actually lockdown. We have night curfew here in Kolkata. After 9 p.m. you cannot step out of your house, but before that till 8 o'clock all the restaurants, pub, everything is open. So today we have planned to go on a long drive to Kolaghat and eat our lunch there. So it's currently what, 12 o'clock right now, 12:20 right now. I have woken up 1 hour before and I'll have my breakfast and then get ready. I really don't know why I just did that, but yeah, that's me. That's how I am. So if you want to see what all we do in today's day, then please keep on watching. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please subscribe. And if you enjoy watching the video that you're watching right now, then please hit the thumbs up button. It would mean the absolute world to me. Yeah. Now that all the blabbering is done, I'm going to go and have my breakfast. And this is where I'm sitting right now. We have made some changes to the garden area. You can see all those hangings are new and it looks so beautiful. I'm in love. And this is what I'm having for breakfast. 2 slices of brown bread with butter and chini. Yes, I like chini on my bread. And scrambled eggs. I had my breakfast and now I think I will go for a bath. It's almost 1 o'clock right now and we are supposed to be leaving by 1:30. So I gotta rush things up now. I just took a bath and now I'll be cleaning out my blackheads. I have a lot of blackheads on my nose right now and I'll also be shaving my face right now. So yeah, let's do that. I've shaved my face, I'll be doing my skincare. For that, I'll obviously start with a mist first. And then I'll be using the Minimalist Niacinamide 5% plus Hyaluronic Acid 1% serum. I was initially using the Hyaluronic Acid from Minimalist, but it did not do it for me. I did not like it at all, so I gave it away to my sister. And now I am using the Minimalist Niacinamide 5% serum, which seems to be pretty good. I've been using this for what, 1 or 2 weeks now and I really like it as of now. I haven't really seen any difference in my skin till now because it's not possible to see a difference in your skin so fast. So I'm just using it and seeing if I like it or not. And now for my trusty Nivea Soft. I love this. I love this. My skin hasn't been doing so great lately. You can see I have small tiny pimple like things all over my face. I don't know what these are. These are not painful or anything. They just come and go, and I have also a lot of discoloration and a lot of texture on my skin. I haven't been taking care of my skin that good lately. I have been very lazy when it comes to my skincare and my exfoliation and all of that. I just take a bath, I cleanse my face, I put on some toner, and then go straight in with this one. I am not using a lot of serums, I have not been chemically exfoliating, I am not using my oil in the night, and that is the reason it is showing on my face right now. It's already 1:15. We were supposed to leave by 1:30. My elder sister came in very late. She came at 1 only. We told her that we would be leaving by 1 so that she doesn't come late, but she came at 1 p.m. So we have called our driver up and we have asked him to come at 2 o'clock because he didn't receive the call. Okay. It's like 2:45 right now. We were supposed to be leaving at 1:30. The driver is waiting from 1:30 downstairs and we are still not out of the house. I have dressed up. I'm wearing this top from Only. Yeah, it's from Only, and I'm also wearing a jeans from Only. I have not taken my bag and I have not put on my shoes as of now. So I need to rush. I'm just going to put some perfume on and then I'll be rushing. I did go a little overboard with my makeup today because let's be real, we are not going out anywhere and we do not get the opportunity to dress up. So I've utilized the opportunity to the fullest and I'm all dressed up. I'll put on my perfume and I leave. Hello. We are finally leaving. She's always late. Always late. Always late.
Bye bye. Yes, we miss you.
Hello.
Good idea or bad idea?
What is happening?
Training.
Training?
Why? It's a natural. अच्छा है ना, natural है. मतलब easily available है और natural है.
Finally.
এখন এটা হলো বালি ব্রিজ।
বালি ব্রিজে উঠছি আমরা। আমরা কেমন ভাবে বইছি দেখো। আমাদের হালতটা দেখছো? গলিটা ছোট্ট না। We are currently sitting in the car. Harsh and Gomsda went out to buy something and we are waiting for them here. It's currently almost 4 o'clock right now and we will reach Kolaghat in about 20 to 30 minutes and then we'll have our lunch. We have reached our destination. We are stopping at Express Food Plaza. Even though the Shere Punjab here is way more famous than this one, we wanted to eat here because we are just feeling like it, and we have anyway eaten a lot at the Shere Punjab here. We have also eaten a lot in this Express Food Plaza, but today we were in the mood of eating here. So here we are waiting outside and clicking some pictures. The weather is just so good right now. It's so good. It's so cloudy, so airy, and it's even raining a little. It's so beautiful out here. We are loving it.
Thank you.
The view here is so beautiful. We are currently deciding what we want to eat. We have no idea what we want to eat.
बिरयानी होगी ना, ठीक है। जीरा राइस लेना है या
Serious discussion.
तंदूरी रोटी, बटर नान है और आपका गार्लिक नान है, मसाला अब बोल, एक चिकन भरता ले रहे हैं, मटन का क्या लेने का जल्दी बताओ। मटन का भी
Our food is finally here. We have mutton rogan josh, butter naan, chicken biryani, peas pulao, paneer pulao, chicken bharta, chicken handi. We are done with our lunch. It was not really a lunch because it's 6:40 right now. We are sitting in the outside space of the restaurant and this is what it looks like. It feels like we are sitting in a bus. One model, two photographers. Still she is not satisfied. We are finally back home. It's 9:20 right now and I'm so tired. It's not even funny how tired I am right now. But my makeup has held on pretty good. It looks so good still now. I will remove my lenses, change into something comfier and then talk to you guys. My sister and my brother-in-law are going to stay at our place today. So we are gonna have some fun. Maybe. From the time we came back home, we have done nothing. We are just lying down on the bed. I'm feeling so lazy and I'm feeling so sleepy. I just want to sleep right now, but they won't let me sleep. And my sister right here is also very sleepy. She's struggling so hard to keep her eyes open, but we won't let her sleep because that's the rule. Fuck off. This is not an adult channel. What kind of language is this? Just fuck off. I took a quick nap. It's 11:45 right now and I'm so tired. My makeup is all over the place right now. The base looks fine, but my mascara got a little smudged because obviously I was sleeping. But I wanted to tell you guys something. This is what real skin looks like. No, it does not look like the Instagram filters. This is what real skin looks like. You will have bumps, you will have pimples, and you will have large pores, creases, fine lines, and all of that is normal. I don't know why, but I think as of lately, as you know, we have got so much accustomed to the Instagram filters, the Facetune and blur. We are kind of ignoring the fact that real skin and real, you know, people don't look like what we look like if we put filters on. The skin that you see after putting a filter on is not real. It cannot be real. Every person has textures, pores, imperfections on their face. Even if they have the most flawless skin, the most flawless face, they will have one imperfection or the other. So that is not, you know, real. And start accepting yourself as who you are and not as who you want to be. So keeping that aside, I think I want to end this vlog right here because I do not have the energy in me to film anymore. So this was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy today's video. I don't know how much I could capture throughout the day, but I know I have tried my best. So I really hope that you guys enjoy it. Until next time, stay safe, stay home, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.